Look, whether you're dreaming of slopeside living, getting started on that short-term rental investment, curious on what's happening in the short-term rental investment industry here in Big Bear, or you just want to know what's going on in the market, you come to the right place. In this video, I'm briefly going to be going over what's up with prices. We're going to go over affordability, interest rates, seasonality, and a new update on the short-term rental ordinance that is taking effect here in a week or so. It is sunny outside, it's snow on the ground. It's a beautiful day in the first week of January 2024. Excited to be here with you. So let's dive right in. What's up with prices? Well, prices are high, but we've certainly been on a roller coaster. I mean, up and slightly down and up and slightly down. But I think prices are going to continue to go up. And here's why. Okay, for perspective, let's zoom out and look at the national average sales prices in America over the past 6+ decades. As you can see, over time, prices went up and they will continue to. Now, what causes prices to go up? I mean, at the end of the day, it's buyers. Buyers determine the value of property because, I mean, it goes back to the basic law of supply and demand. As buyer demand increases, there is a need for inventory. And if housing inventory is low or relatively low, that's going to cause prices to go up, right? If there's more supply than there are buyers, well, now those sellers are going to have to chase the price, to where buyers are willing to pay, right? Well, the other factor in that is affordability. So what happens when money becomes cheaper to borrow? Well, more people want to borrow it, right? And buyers in the real estate market, they are more excited to enter the market when their affordability increases, right? And their affordability increases as the interest to borrow decreases, and that's what's starting to happen again. Going back a month ago, we were in that high 7% range a couple months ago, right? 8%. Well, now we're down, I'm seeing high 6%, low 7%, right? To purchase properties. Well, that's getting buyers excited again. By the way, we're nowhere near as high as we were back in 1981 when it was 18% to get a loan, right? Money's becoming more affordable to borrow and buyers are entering the market. Okay, a little earlier than expected, getting into the seasonality of Big Bear, December, January is usually slower. But this past December, I mean, just last month, I saw a lot of buyers hitting the market. So right now in Big Bear, we have a little over 250 properties for sale, 50 buyers in escrow right now. Over the past 30 days, we've seen over 50 properties successfully close and at a median sale price of just over $500,000 at a 92% of original list price. And so what does that mean? Well, it means a few things. For buyers, you can still get property in the $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 price point, good properties, and you could also get a discount. I'm still seeing a lot of our buyers are still getting discounts on properties. What that means for sellers is that there's still an opportunity to get, on the other side of that median, seeing sellers get 97, 98, 99, 103% of their list price. So what does that mean for sellers? Well, there's buyers in the market still interested in buying, and if you're priced right, you can still get top dollar at a height of the market. Okay, could prices keep going up? As I mentioned, they will over time. And if interest rates continue to come down, like I think they will, based off of what the feds are suggesting, we're going to see more and more buyers enter the market, possibly even earlier than expected from a seasonality standpoint, and sellers will be getting more excited. Now, for those of you interested in short-term rentals, it's important for you to know that in the city of Big Bear Lake, effective January 18th, there is a new ordinance taking effect, and in there is a new update that I'll share with you. So previously, they did require in-person check-ins, and now there is an allowance for a virtual registration procedure for the short-term rental property owners, and so that's exciting. John Vasquez here from Big Bear Lake, California. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this information helpful. If so, hit the like button, hit the love, share, and drop a comment. Would love to hear from you. In the meantime, you and your Big Bear enthusiasts, please follow, subscribe, hit the notification button. There's more to come. Take care. Happy New Year.